The worst banking failure in the USA. The case of Silicon Valley Bank. Savings in this bank. I worked my whole life to save for my retirement, and now it's gone. How am I supposed to live now? This is a statement of a customer of one of the failed banks of 2008, but very similar words are being uttered today on the doors of SVB. On Friday, March 10, 2023, SVB was closed by the California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation. The FDIC was named receiver. No advance notice is given to the public. Shares of SVB plummeted by 70% after clients cried that wire transfers were backed up. Founded in 1983 after a poker game, SVB was an important engine for the tech industry's success and the 16th largest bank in the US before its collapse. More than 2,500 venture capital firms banked with SVB, and so did a lot of tech executives. Here are a few firms caught in this sad collapse. Roku has built a brand on low-priced streaming devices. It said in a filing that it had about $487 million of its $1.9 billion at SVB, about 26% of the firm's cash. This is a tragedy for our community. This bank has been a fixture here for decades, and now it's gone. What will happen to all the employees who worked here? What will happen to our local economy? A question asked in 2008 is still being asked today. Crypto group Circle. This payments technology firm Circle tweeted Friday that $3.3 billion of the $40 billion of its USD coin, USDC, cryptocurrency reserves were in Silicon Valley Bank. Still in the crypto world, defunct crypto lender, BlockFi had $227 million Silicon Valley Bank. Roblox. The California-based online gaming platform, said that about 5% of its $3 billion of cash as of February 28 was at Silicon Valley Bank. Other companies are yet to fully disclose how much they held at SVB. This is a wake-up call for the entire financial industry. A banking industry expert stated this in 2008. Is this déjà vu? News that SVB workers were paid bonuses just hours before bank collapsed raised concerns all over, and this could end up being investigated. What next? On March 12, 2023, U.S. began marshaling a material action to stop the SVB fallout. On March 13, 2023, First Republic Bank customers lined up to withdraw their money. Regulators are reportedly auctioning failed banks' assets for cash. According to Bloomberg News, the FDIC was in the process of selling the assets of SVB on March 12, 2023. Bank of London submits a proposal for SVB's UK arm. Bank of London offers to Silicon Valley Bank UK, SVB's subsidiary, a proposal to take it over. This approach is supported by Bank of London co-founder and CEO Anthony Watson, who said in a statement, "Silicon Valley Bank cannot be allowed to fail given the vital community it serves." Indeed, SVB collapse has serious implications for both small banks and tech field. Small, regional U.S. banks will come under intense pressure unless the SVB situation is resolved quickly. While retail deposits tend to held for a long term, corporations with large deposits tend to be much quicker to move their money. SVB failure will make it near impossible for any U.S. corporation to justify keeping surplus funds in an account with a small lender. This may pose disaster to small banks. This collapse has not affected the USA only, but the impact is all over the world. In UK, more than 250 British tech firm executives signed a letter calling for state intervention. In India, the State Minister for Technology will meet with startups to assess the impact of SVB collapse. In Israel, shares on the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange slid more than 4% since Israel's tech sector is the country's main growth engine. We wish all those affected all the best. Thanks for listening. Subscribe so that we can be motivated to bring more such content.